We're heading back.
And back from where?
Big adventure.
It is Big Adventure.
Subscribe, thumbs up, just to let you know. Okay, and yeah.
So we're just climbing up to Tahoe Pass. We're about to enter the
2 mile tunnel.
2 mile tunnel. That's right.
Yep.
Good job. How long is it going to take us to go through the 2 mile tunnel?
4 minutes and 52 seconds.
Excellent. How many tickets did you win and what did you buy last night?
A big car set. Show you when we get back home what we won and stuff. And I think, wait, wasn't this was from the arcade?
Okay. How many tickets do you remember? 1,125. How'd you win all your tickets? What was the game?
Pinball? Ski ball.
Pretty close, pinball.
Ski ball, same thing. Close.
All right. So we can go swimming when we get home. All right.
What?
Come on.
When we come out of that tunnel, on the right hand side of the train, right above Donner Lake.
Why don't you film us getting in the small tunnel?
Okay, small tunnel.
Okay, small tunnel, going in the small tunnel. And of course, Lori's not here, so sad. She was taking a nap.
Taking a nap. Oh. No, can't see the tunnel. So, what was your favorite thing?
Magic show.
Magic show? Oh, that was. Oh, well, you want to talk about the magic show at all? What happened at the magic show, Mr. TC?
I went up on stage.
They called you up on stage to be part of the magic show.
And guess what they called me? Tablecloth.
Why were they calling you tablecloth?
My new nickname. Everybody call me tablecloth.
Why was that?
Because I look like a tablecloth and my button up shirt, like Ryan.
It was
hey, tablecloth.
It was kind of like your shirt.
Yeah.
Yes. Super good time. What was your favorite trick, you think?
The Harry Houdini one where he went underwater.
Oh,
and in a cage, chained up.
Yeah, that was pretty good. He held his breath for a long time. 2
minutes and
like 30 seconds or something.
30 seconds, yeah. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
That was pretty good. My favorite one was how we got all those people in that box. Remember the girl was in the box and then he pulled it out.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how they did that. Uh-oh. Here we go. First tunnel in California. Alright, pretty short one. This isn't the 4 mile one.
2 mile one.
There we go.
That wasn't the 2 mile one.
Nope. Yeah, let me film Donner Lake real quick. Wow. It's glass right now.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We will be filming the 2 mile tunnel, okay?
Roger.
Yep.
Over and out?
Over and out. Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, baby.
Love all my fans.
Oh, wait. Love all my fans. Ian, Colin, Nicholas, Mommy, Daddy,
Cousin.
Grandma Tony, Cousin Sue,
Auntie
Lou,
Laura, and Cousin Max, Aunt Michelle. Just thank your grandmas.
Yeah. And go all the people that subscribe and thumbs up.
What about Mom and Dad?
I said Mom and Dad.
Sweet. All right, sign out. Love you.